Bro, this your boy Cody. We finna give y'all a 4-week update on the puppies. They turned 4 weeks old the 18th, which was this Thursday. I'm finna make their mush for them. Now it's time for me to put them on my little plan, put them on their mush, and finna get that going. Finna show y'all, finna make it for y'all. Really ain't nothing special, just something I've been doing for years. Just something I know they gonna eat for surely. They love it. Every time I make it for every litter I have, bro, I'm talking about literally, bro, no complaints whatsoever, bro. They eating it, no doubt, they eating it. But I'm finna make it for y'all. I just want to go ahead and start this little intro off and get going. I'm finna make this stuff for y'all. I was finna do this. I was finna do a 5, but man, I don't know. It like it's gonna rain. On me, it like it's gonna rain. But I ain't gonna do it. I'ma wait. I ain't gonna do it. I'ma wait. So I'm finna make this mush for y'all. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me put y'all down. Good. Hell, y'all need to see me head. All you gotta do is see me make the stuff. You ain't here to look at me. Oh, snap. These are steps I'm finna tell you. I'm finna grind their food up. Like, grind their food up. And put it in my bowl. Once I put it in my bowl, put that milk in there. I don't use milk replacement. I use milk replacement, but it's not regular milk replacement. I use goat milk. This is what I use. I've been using this for years. Literally, bro. I'm talking about. It's sweet. They love it. Tastes like candy. Yeah. I'm telling you, they love it. But other than that, I goat milk. And man, put a little dime off in there. And bro, it's like magic. They gonna eat it up. I'm telling you. They gonna tear it up. Tear it up. They gonna tear it up. But oh shit, I forgot the can open. Hold on, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we back. Benzo down there about making me bust my ass. This little dude right here, turned 8 weeks old. Big ass. He's stuck. He was stuck. Oh snap. Yeah, bro. Yeah. I just let his little ass out the cage. Damn, I'm stuttering. I just let his little ass out the cage. He did a little piss. I'm finna clean it up. We finna get going. Let me clean this piss up right quick. Put a little glove on. Alright, well, I was gonna show y'all, but I just sprayed it down. I mean, I'm pretty sure people should know how to clean shit, so I just sprayed it down with bleach and hit the water hose. Now I'm just finna wash it off with dry it off with some paper towel. Nothing special. What y'all gonna do? Just like that. That's all it is to it. Like Nike say, just do it. This little boy in his bed. Oh, that shit. Oh, well, my bad. I forgot. Before I even fix their food, I gotta go put this up for the flies. The flies been kind of getting back to their bed a little bit. So I gotta go put this up. If y'all don't know what this is, it helps miracles, for sure. But this is my first time using these. I normally get these little bags right here. These are little smaller versions. Cut this top, put a string around it, and hang it where you want to hang. Fill up the water about right there at the line. That's all you gotta do. But I'm finna try this one out. This is a big one. This is my first time using this one, so I'm finna see how this one works. So, but we finna see. Let's get it going. Put that back. Benzo, what's up, bro? I forgot my string. Stop, boy. Quit. What the hell wrong with you? You tripping. You would have been through that little motherfucker, boy. Yeah, would have been out here fried dog. Ain't no fried cat. Fried dog. Bro, stop picking up the extension cord, dude. Yeah. Cause you was tripping. I don't know what's your problem is. But go ahead. Find out the hard way. I'm just miss you sadly. Yep. I sure am. You like benzo? Why you do that, bro? ANC Country Kennels benzo gonna be fried. Ain't got a bill. Just good not just something that'll stay. Pop that out like that. Now you fill it up to right there. But you gotta take that out and pour it in there. This out. We're gonna come back to the food. We can do this right now. This shit stink. I'm telling you, once it activate, boy. Ooh wee. I'm surprised they ain't coming too with this big ass package. That's all it is to it. Do that. Put this back on. Screw that back on. Pop that top. And fill with water. And go put it wherever you want to. And that's it. That's all you do. Now, we're finna go put it where we want to put it at. It's the oven. This the old one. And all that black, all that is flies. I'm telling you, the shit nasty. But it worked. But that shit nasty. That's all you gotta do. Let it work magic. Alright, well, we back at the table. We finna make this mess. We got the fly trap done. We got that out the way. Benzo cage clean. We got that out the way. Everything done. Now I gotta feed the big dogs, but I'm finna feed these puppies first. And then the big dogs gotta eat. Let me plug this extension cord up. But other than that, everything caught up. Show y'all how I make my mesh. Y'all can make it your own ways. This is just how me personally, ENC Country Kennels, make theirs. Yes, sir. Leave a little room. But I'll do 2 cups. Who's this dude? He think he finna eat. This shit down there look like cinnamon, ground cinnamon. I see a couple little hard chunks I'll put back in here. But as they get a little older, of course, the food, you know what I'm saying, it increases as I get. But I'm just giving this 1 scoop for right now, because it's enough. Depends on how many puppies you got. You can make more, you can make less. It's up to you. But for the amount of puppies that I just had, this will be enough. Okay, so I got that. Now this milk, shake the goat milk up. Ooh, I make a mess now. Make a mess. Open the goat milk. That was on accident. Open the whole thing and just pour evenly across. You want to make it a little watery because they puppies, so they can't drink water. So they basically, the milk is that water. I don't know why I'm stuttering so much. But the milk is basically that water. That's to keep them hydrated and everything. It's a little dry. You want a little wet. In some cases, you can hit it with a little water. That ain't gonna hurt. They love this shit. I feed to all my dogs. Every dog I got eat this. I've been doing it for, I'm telling you, man. It never fails. I've been doing it for years, bro. Ain't nothing better than the mama's milk. The mama's milk is the best thing for them. Even though they're 4 weeks old, they getting their teeth. So eventually, she finna start making them stop sucking on them. So at 4 weeks old is when I introduce them to food. I'm talking about soon as 4 weeks. Some people do it earlier. Just depends on how you whip your puppies. It's all on you, man. It's all about how you run your own kennel, bro. Can't nobody tell you how to do you, but you. Just find your lane and stick to it. Put it in cruise control, and hey. But I'm finna hit it with a little water, cause it's a little thick, so I'm finna hit it with a little water. Then I'm gonna put some powder in it, mix that up a little bit. Then I'm gonna put a little more dye on it, and then hey, it's ready. Watch out, little bug. Now I'm back. I got the water. And just sprinkle a little bit of this in here. Okay, while I'm doing it, let me hit a little powder. Protein powder. Get her ass a little bit of Man, what y'all talking about over there? What y'all talking about over there? No, you right. It's a wrap on G. It's a wrap on G. It's a wrap on.
Yeah, you don't think it is. You don't think it is.
You better afternoon, huh? Alright, y'all. It's gonna look a little something like this. That's how the finish should look. That's how the finish is gonna look when I get done with it. Cause that's how I make it. Clean your area up a little bit, man. Put that in the trash can. Alright, we finna get into the puppies. Alright, well, now we finna go see how the puppies like they meal. Which, 10 out of 10. I'm telling you, I already know what the result is. Hold on, wait till we get there. Alright. Now I'm finna show y'all, cause I already know. I'm finna show y'all how they eat that look. Y'all already know what time it is. Come on. Yeah. Find the little mama, you tripping. Y'all wanna play with me. Yeah. Oh, my bad, boy. Look at y'all. What is y'all doing? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, little dude. You find your way in, my boy. Look, find your way in. You already know. Here, let me get y'all spread of that. All you hear. That's all you hear. That boy stressed out. That little dude stressed out. He going crazy. I'm telling you. 4 weeks old. Tell it every time. Never fails, I'm telling you. Look at little mama. She the right. So this little ENC Country Kennels China, ENC Country Kennels Louis, she had a total of 11. 2 came out in the sack. They had suffocated. So she had 9. Then 1 had passed from they was bullying, we'll let them eat. Like I'll be there when I leave, go to work. Man, I don't know what happened. They'll just bully my boy. And he made it 3 days. And it was a wrap. My dude didn't make it. With 3 that died, cause the one that died 3 days, he was a boy. That was his twin. He was a trindle. He's a trindle. Both of them was trindles. And they had died, but the other 2 that died, one was a chocolate tribe boy, and it was her twin, that Brindle girl. She had a twin. Ooh, look at that stomach. I'm telling you, every time. Every time. Yeah, every time. But back to what I was saying. The 2 that had died, they suffocated and say they came out like hours late. With that being said, she had 2 females, 6 boys, I'm tripping, that all survived. She's a female, she's a female, he's a male, 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 and this little dude's a male. But yeah, they doing great. Healthy little dudes. Just turned 4 weeks. Big boy. You got dirt on your face, dude. Yeah. Yeah, mama done scratched up all the dirt out the pen. Yeah. Y'all fool? Yeah. If I wanted to see them little stomachs fat. She's so small, man. This little girl right here is so little. See, I'm talking about them flies. Look at little mama. Oh, my bad. What's up, babe? You trying to play with me? Bro, what is you crying for, bro? Shit, they going crazy. Little dude right here said shit. I ain't had enough. Watch out. Live, man. Shit, they get on my nerves. I know they get on nerves. That's it, weird. I just wanted to show y'all my little mush I be feeding them. 4 weeks old. These little dudes right here, man. But this ENC Country Kennels China first litter. She did good on this litter, man. She a great mama. She's a fantastic mama. I wouldn't hesitate leaving her alone with these puppies at all. A great mama. Good mama. But that's it, weird. I just wanted to show y'all my mesh feeding for the 4-week-old puppies, man. That's it, man. We'll catch y'all later.